Okay, we forgot to do the interval notation on this one. And that's a part I know people really struggle with, so we're going to do that. So interval notation, if you remember, first we need to do brackets or parentheses. We always start with the smallest or least number and work up to the greatest. So in this case, it's -1. Now, because -1 is a closed circle, we're going to have a bracket around it. And then we're going to go up to number 3, to the number 3. Again, it has a bracket. Oh no, it's not 3. That's what happens when you do it separate than the other one. Your mind loses track. Okay, 2 3/5, or in this case, I kind of like 13/5. I feel like it's a little neater. So we have -1 up to 13/5. We have a bracket around 13/5 again because it's a closed circle and it's including. So always go least to greatest, and then you have to decide brackets or parentheses.